He's been the monster all week long, very serious. Now he brings out that $1 million smile. What does it feel like to do that to another person, to see them crumble to the ground with the body shot?
Ito'y labanan para sa apat na pandaigdigang titulo sa pagitan ni Unified WBA at IBF Super Bantamweight World Champion Marlon Tapales kontra nga po kay Unified WBO at WBC Super Bantamweight World Champion ang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Ito'y para sa undisputed Super Bantamweight World Title fight. Magagawa nga bang muli ni Naoya Inoue sa pangalawang pagkakataon na maging undisputed sa bagong dibisyon? Marami mang mga Pinoy boxing fans ang hindi naniniwala na hindi kakayanin ni Marlon Tapales ang lakas ng tinaguriang halimaw ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Ngunit huwag nating kalimutan na dumadaloy ang dugong mandirigmang Pinoy sa katawan ng ating pambato. Dagdagan mo pa ng determinasyon at puspusang paghahanda para sa papalapit na laban. Hindi imposibleng makamit at maging kauna-unahang undisputed champion na Pilipinong boksingero sa kasaysayan ng boxing sa Pilipinas. Na ultimo ang ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacman Pacquiao, bagamat naging 8th Division World Champion, ay hindi nagawang maging undisputed sa kanyang henerasyon. Kaya naman, isang malaking karangalan ang maibibigay ni Marlon Tapales sa ating bansa kapag napagtagumpayan niyang manalo at tuldukan ng patuloy na pag-usbong ng karera ni Naoya Inoue sa boxing at maging kauna-unahang Pinoy na maging undisputed champion. Sa kabila ng usap-usapang dehado, wala ang sino man ang pwedeng makasira sa determinasyon at puso ng isang Pinoy na mandirigma para maipanalo ang malaking laban. Sa kasalukuyan, si Naoya Inoue ay may ibinabanderang undefeated record na 25 panalo, 22 dito ay talaga namang tinapos sa brutal na knockout o may 88% knockout percentage. Samantalang ang ating kababayan na si Marlon Tapales ay may kartadang 37 panalo at 19 dito ay tinapos nito sa pamamagitan ng knockout at 3 talo o may 51% knockout percentage. Isang veteranong boksingero kung may tuturing itong si Marlon Tapales dahil 15 taon sa professional boxing ay isang malaking advantage kontra kay Naoya Inoue. Nauna ng 4 na taon at 2 buwan si Tapales nang pasukin ito ang professional boxing noong 2008. Samantalang taong 2012 naman nang pumasok sa pro si Naoya Inoue. Pero hindi nga po matatawaran ang patuloy na pag-usbong ng karera ni Naoya Inoue sa boxing. Lalo na't hindi basta-basta ang mga kalidad ng mga boksingerong tinalo nito. Pagdating naman sa total number of rounds, si Marlon Tapales ay kumubra na ng total of 258 rounds kumpara sa 146 pa lang ni Naoya Inoue. Kung tail of the tape naman ang pag-uusapan, mas mataas ng kapiraso si Naoya Inoue na may taas na 5'5" kumpara sa 5'4" ni Tapales. Mas mahaba lang din naman ng mahigit kalahating pulgada ang reach ni Inoue na pumalo sa 68.1 inches ayon sa Box.live kumpara sa 67.5 inches reach ni Tapales. Base sa mga numerong ito mga idol, hindi na nakakapagtaka na pumabor ang mga sports bookies sa Japanese Monster. Lalo na't pinatunayan pa nito na siya ang pound for pound king nang talunin niya kamakailan lang ang kampiyon na si Stephen Fulton. Sa ngayon ay wala pa naman pong inilalabas na chance of winning percentage ng dalawang boksingero. Dehado man tayo sa mata ng ilang mga boxing fans at sports analysts sa labanang ito, tiwala naman ako na buhay ang determinasyon ng ating kababayan para maipanalo ang labang ito at para maging kauna-unahang Pilipinong boksingero na maging undisputed champion ng Super Bantamweight Division. Narito ang ilang highlights ng laban nila Naoya Inoue at Marlon Tapales. Paki-comment ang inyong prediksyon at opinion mga idol. Maraming salamat po.
Philippines.
Let's go, Marlon!
Nice, Mark.
I'm moving around.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2 belts. Ronnie Rios is coming in. Oh boy, what a jab right up. And even MJ said, listen, Ronnie Rios is never. And that's going to be a punch that can land often. So, in 12 rounds, ladies and gentlemen, 2 belts. So Ronnie Rios is coming in. Oh boy, what a jab right up. 12 rounds, ladies and gentlemen, 2 belts. So Ronnie Rios is coming in. Oh boy, what a jab right up. And even MJ said, listen, Ronnie Rios is never. And that's going to be a punch that can land often. So he looks to go downstairs. Moving to the left bottom and let it all go. Again, pushing the pace now. A little bit when he run, it was tough to get his wind back. Moments operating. He's got it up. He is hurt. And Abadalia with a rolling right hand. And Ronnie Rios is never. And that's going to be a punch that can land often. So he looks to go downstairs. To the left bottom and let it all go. And even MJ said, listen, Ronnie Rios is never. And that's going to be a punch that can land often. So he looks to go downstairs. Moving to the left bottom and let it all go. Well, he is pushing the pace now. A little bit when he run, it was tough to get his wind back. Moments operating off the jab. He's got it up. He is hurt. And Abadalia with a clubbing right hand. Moving to the left bottom and let it all go. Well, he is pushing the pace now. A little bit when he run, it was tough to get his wind back. That's an awkward punch to throw. You can see the heavy hands. Years now. God, he wasn't going to do it. I'm not sure. Yeah. So, Aquadali was not going in there. Look, see that overhand left that just missed by Tapales and another back to the head. Criticized for people to look at the result of the Iwasa fight. What Tapales would tell you is that he took a nasty headbutt early in that fight and never really recovered from it. Dahlia finally landing some jabs there. I think the jab's going to be the key bit. Yeah, a lot more assertive this round. And Jack Dahlia's not let his hands go. This is the first time I've seen Michael Dahlia throw something behind. How we finally see an angle from the position. This is what makes MJ Dahlia special. It's the position and the angles that he gets on opponents. It's the first time we've seen it. He went Chocolatito. Oh, left hand there. A good one. Is heavy-handed, so there's a lot of respect for the power of Tapales. Finally, we're seeing jabs. 2 sharp jabs by Tapales. Both of them landed. There's some more jabs right there. Oh, speaking of one punch, he's in control of the momentum of this fight. He's in control right now. Look at like shots like that. Clean left hands, followed by a right hand. Oh, big left hand. Start to the fight for the Philippines, but Akmadali with Tapales still landing punches like that. Yeah, I think one of these guys. Success. He's still going to try to hurt Akmadaliev. Doing right now, Akmadaliev. Credit to Tapales. Oh, there's a left from
savvy fighter and its champion like Akhmadaliev.